Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick video on how to do a blowout on short hair. First I'm going to put some of this metal detox in my hair, and this will help protect against heat as well as metals. Next I'm going to be using Pureology's 21 Benefit Spray. I've talked about this one before, I use it all the time and I love it. It basically helps protect your hair against heat, it helps your color, and it also is kind of a leave-in conditioner, so it's the best. And as you can see, first I'm going to go through and just do a quick blow dry throughout my hair. I want to get it about 80% to 90% dry before I go through with the round brush to give it its final finish. I get done with that, I'm going to throw in this thermal spray. This will help just set my hair the way I want it, as well as some of this volume mousse. It will just give me volume. So we're going to run that through my hair as well. I'm going to clip half of my hair up just because I have a lot of it and I want to do it in sections. This will also create more volume. Now, as you can see, my hair is mostly dry, and so I'm going to run the round brush through it. I have a smaller round brush here, but I also, for longer hair, have a bigger round brush, which is also great. When I hold it like this, that's because I'm letting it cool off for a second. That kind of also helps set the style. So I'll kind of throw some heat on it, let it sit for a second, and then take it out. I have a lot of hair in the back, so I ended up grabbing another clip just so I could get the hair underneath and separate it a little bit more. As you can see, I do have very curly hair, and so it does help to have it mostly dry, and then it just kind of smooths it right out by doing this. I was gonna do this in just 2 sections, but I have so much hair that I really wanted to focus on the top area and put some rollers in the top to give me a little extra volume. So I decided to do another layer. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna blow dry it out a little bit more because it was a little wet on top. But then I'm gonna go through in section and start to blow dry it out with the round brush and then stick a roller in it just to let it cool a little bit longer. Like I said, that helps just set the style. As you can see here, I didn't use any clips to hold those in, which probably would have helped, but it's fine. We just went with it. Okay, next I'm going to use IGK's Beach Wave Spray. This is my favorite texture hairspray. I'm just going to spray it a little bit on and then take those bad boys out. A little crazy, but I'm just going to kind of brush it out just gently, kind of put the pieces where I want them to be. This look is very much a 90s short hair blowout look, but I'm kind of loving it and I'm here for it, so. Cute, love the layers. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like it if you want more content. Thanks. Bye.